is this thing for? Repair red. Oh, a little chunk of dough. You can make rocks out of it. And that's what that is. That's a mold.
A mold?
Yeah, you and Poppy can do that.
Dough,
you make the rocks.
Red. You make rocks.
And next is one.
Next is this one? Okay.
Who is that, Tony?
It's Tabler. Tabler. There's Tabler.
Is that pretty neat?
Yeah.
Was that worth waiting for Mr. Mailman to bring you your trucks?
Yeah. It was hard. Why don't these don't turn?
Well, honey, they're not real super heavy duty.
But these tires.
Poppy's almost got Tumbler out.
Okay.
What does Tumbler make inside of him?
He makes
Concrete, that's right. So when I tell you there's a concrete truck, you know what it's going to look like, right?
Yeah.
Here comes Tumbler.
Now we gotta figure out how to get the wires off of that.
Wow.
Wow.
Tabler.
Is that pretty exciting?
Yeah.
There you go.
Look, does he have a hitch on the back too?
No.
No? That
It's
looks like
kind
a
of like
hitch.
where the little dump is.
Are you pretty happy?